We're going to try this enrichment question just for fun. You won't see it too much with the new curriculum. However, when you're dealing with absolute value graphs, it's nice to know how to approach these types of questions at least once. So what we have is, we have the absolute value graph. Hopefully you know this is based off y equals absolute value of x, which looks like a v. However, it's shifted 3 units to the left. When the number is just beside the x, and technically there's brackets here, we know it goes 3 units to the left. So let's use Desmos. So we see the v here, and when you say x minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 goes to the right, but when you see plus 3, this v goes 3 units to the left. And we remember from a previous video, this is based off the inner function y equals x plus 3, which happens to reflect upwards because we don't deal with negative numbers. And for this question, we're trying to solve this absolute value of x plus 3 equals 2. Y equals 2. So visually, graphically, we know the answer is -5 and -1. This makes sense. Let's try to do this algebraically. So it's good to memorize that the definition of the absolute value of a has 2 cases. This will help you with future math. Case 1, just forget about the absolute value signs. It is true when a is greater or equals to 0. So literally, when you get an equation, just drop them. Forget about it. However, also remember that you need to set up -a as a possible answer when a is less than 0. So let's use this definition to solve at least one of these types of problems. So case 1, let's just drop it. Super easy. X plus 3 equals 2. What would a grade 8 or 9 student do? They would throw the 3 over. X is equals to 2 minus 3. So the answer is -1. Exactly what we found on Desmos. So as for case 2, we take this a value, x plus 3, and we stick a negative sign in front of the whole thing with brackets. So -a is equals to 2. That's this case over here. This is just like grade 8 or 9 math now. We just distribute the -1, -x minus 3 equals 2. We could throw the x over here, we could throw the 2 over to the left. So we have x is equals to -3 minus 2, which is -5. It's our other solution. And so now it's your turn. Try to solve x. Try it either graphically or algebraically.